And so while most of you guys know that I am a Pixel fan, I have to tell you guys that the Pixel 5a is still one that I would definitely recommend if you can find it for sub $200. Now, I have my own thing how I look at this, and the Pixel 5a is the absolute last of Google Pixel Chapter 1. We are now currently in Chapter 2 with the Pixel 6 all the way up to the most current Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. But before Google dropped the Tensor chip and decided to do everything in-house, they relied on Qualcomm and the Snapdragon 765G that's in the Pixel 5a as well as the 5 and 4a 5G is a capable chip. Everything runs smoothly. The things that I do on it, it's able to do it. It's not hindered or lacking in performance. Um, yeah, it sports the old design where Google was still trying to identify itself, and so it pretty much used a similar design to other OEMs, and I mean, they all did it. They all copied each other. No big deal there. Um, but the Pixel 5a stands out for two things. One, price. It was priced insanely well when it released. Two is the battery, which it has insanely good battery life. Now, this device does bond well with the Pixel Watch, as I has my Pixel Watch bonded to it. And yes, while it doesn't have the Tensor chip, so you can't do things like Magic Eraser with photos, it still takes very good photos and videos. You got that fingerprint sensor on the back. You got a headphone jack for auxiliary line headphones and earbuds. It it's good in its own right, and it was a great way to send off Chapter 1 of Google Pixel.